Google just released Gemma 4, and for the first time, it's fully open source under the Aperture 2.0 license. Today, we're putting this power directly on your PC. Gemma 4 is a beast. It's built for agentic era, meaning it optimizes for multi-step planning and tool use. It features a massive 250,000 token context window, enough to analyze an entire codebase at once, and it supports over 140 languages. And the best part, you can even run Gemma on your smartphone too. The 26B mixture of expert model is incredibly fast because it only activates 3.8 billion parameters at a time. Even if you have a laptop with limited RAM, the effective 2B and 4B models are your best friend. Okay, to get started and to run Gemma 4 locally, at the beginning, you will have to come to this website. I will give this link on the video description. This is the official website of Google DeepMind. And here you can see Gemma is an advanced open model, help developers to create AI application that can even run on laptop or even phone. If you scroll a little bit, then here you will find the installation option. You can get started with Gemma with various platforms like Kaggle, Hugging Face. Then you will have Olama option, PyTorch, Google AI Edge, Google Cloud, and LM Studio also. Okay, so for this tutorial purpose, I will go with these Olama options. We will run Gemma 4 locally with Olama. So that's why I will click here. It will redirect to this documentation page. And if you scroll a little bit, you will find the setup process. Here at the beginning, you will have to install Olama. And for this, actually, you can go to this link, or you can simply search Olama, then press enter, go to this website. And here, this is a open source platform to run large language model. So at the beginning, you will have to download it on your machine. Simply click this download button, or you can just simply copy this CLI command. If you click here, look, it's redirect to this page, and you can choose either macOS, Linux, or Windows. Okay, based on your operating system, you can choose which installer you need. Okay, as I am using macOS, let me choose the first one. So you can simply click this download for macOS, or just use this CLI command, then open a terminal and paste it here, then press enter. And for this tutorial purpose, I will simply download it for macOS, and here is the downloader option. Okay, so if I go there, you will see we'll have to install this installer. Okay, simply double click here, then let me drag it, and it will be added to our PC. Okay, I will simply close it, then go to this app section, and here you can see Ulama is available. Okay, let me open it. So when you open, you will see this type of interface, and here you can see we'll have all of these available model. You can simply click this download to download any of this model. Okay, so this is the first step we have completed. We have installed Olama. The second step is configure Gemma in Olama. Okay, so here the installation package does not include any model by default. Okay, you will have to download a model using pull command. So what you will do, you will have several options. You can choose a specific model and other sizes, okay, based on your need. So for doing this, actually from this website of Olama, you will go to this model section, and there you will simply search Gemma, and by default you can see it. You can simply search Gemma 4, and you will see something like this. You will go to inside here, and look, to pull it or to get it on your PC, you will have this command. Okay, and if you scroll a little bit, you will have different model based on your hardware specification. You can just download any of this model on your PC. If you have a low configured laptop or PC, you will go with this Gemma 4 E2B model. If you have a huge giant laptop or desktop, then you will go with this one. Okay, so as I have a standard Mac OS, then I will go with this one. So to do it, you will simply go to here, so click here, then here look, we'll have Olama run Gemma 4 clone E4B. Okay, we'll have to copy this and then open the terminal. Here we'll paste this command and press enter. So it's actually pulling the manifest, and within a few seconds you can see the downloader just downloading this specific model on your local machine. Okay, it takes few seconds. You will have to wait until it's completed. Okay, you can see it's actually done. And the next thing, we will simply close it, And now we will back to the Olama apps, and here if you just restart it, let me restart it, then here you will find the available actually install model on your machine. You can select this one, and right now what thing you have to do, let me do a little setting on Olama. Here you will go to setting, and now you will just increase this context length. We will increase it to either 32k or 64k. Okay, so then you will back here, you can just chat with it. For example, you can just simply say, who are you? Okay, something like this. It's a basic prompt, and if I just press enter using this Gemma 4 E4B model, it will just thinking about the answer, and within a few seconds you will see it will just generate reply for you. Okay, you can see I am Gemma 4 and open with large language model developed by Google DeepMind. It's actually giving you the proper answer for you. Okay, so this is actually not by tags. We'll have to build something. So for doing this, let me close it. We will open a projects. So here we will go to project directory, and now we'll create a demo projects. Okay, we will simply say Gemma 4 projects, something like this. Then what we will do, we will open it on Visual Studio Code. Simply open VS Code, and let me open this folder on Visual Studio Code. So right now, let me, yes, I trust this author as it's me. And what you will actually do here, we'll have to run Gemma 4. So for doing this, you can see to run it, you will have this command. Okay, so we will simply copy it. Now we will open the terminal here, then paste it. Let me press enter. Okay, it says send a message for help. Okay, I will prompt something like this, accent color. Okay, so this is my prompt, and let me press enter. So here you can see it, at first it's actually thinking what it will have to do, and see it's actually thinking about what to do. And after this planning, it will just create a header, hero section, about, project sections using grid layout for 3 to 4 items. Then styling for CSS will use global reset, box sizing, smooth scrolling, then typography, and to all of this other stuff. It's actually thinking about it. And now after then, here you can see it's actually generating HTML files. Here you can see it's very amazing, and within a few seconds I think it will be completed the HTML part. Then it will execute CSS, and if any JavaScript required, then it will generate for you. Okay, so here it's actually give the expert recommendation and uses node. What you will have to do, it says it use image placeholder. You will have to replace all of that image. Then it will actually give some suggestion about SEO accessibility and other stuff. So as we get this, we will have to actually manually just create a HTML file, then use this. So we will create a index.html file. Then we will put all of this HTML section code. Okay, copy it. Now I will paste it here. After then, for the CSS, we'll have this. Let me paste it here, and here is the code for CSS. Let me copy, paste it here. And for the script.js, this is JavaScript file. We'll have to create a JS file, and here we will copy this. Okay, let me copy and paste it here. Okay, so after doing this, let me minimize this terminal, and here let me check if it's connected perfectly or not. We'll have added style sheet, and let me check script is connected. And after then, if you go live, you can see it's actually created this type of website. We'll have to replace all of this image and need some adjustment here. Also we'll have to add icons, then it will be more beautiful. And if I check the mobile responsiveness, and let me try it here, look, it's very clean on mobile device also. I hope you understand how actually Gemma 4 can help you to build this type of creative website for you. Okay,